Hey, hello friends. Hope you guys are doing good. I am extremely sorry for not publishing any videos for the past 2 months. On 31st October, Diwali day, my father fell from height. He had brain injury and a couple of fractures on his right hand and right leg. Later, he was admitted to hospital and he was in ICU for more than 3 weeks. 1 month back only, he discharged from hospital. Now we are at home only, but still he is not able to do his regular work like having food and not able to bath by himself. We are taking him to the bathroom. So everything for him we are doing. In another 2 to 3 months, he will be completely all right. Till then, we need to take care of him as a baby. So due to these reasons only, I don't get a time to publish any videos. So today I had some free time, so I'm publishing this video now. Today we'll discuss about the restrictions that we have in the configure BOP segment app. So in this app, we can use the special character star. So how can we use this? For example, the material starting with VGF, for example, and we don't know the remaining characters after this VGF. Then what we can do? We can add star after this VGF and we can search. We'll get all the list of orders wherever the material starting with VGF. Similar way, I know the order number starting with 5454 only, but I don't know the remaining numbers in this order sales document number. And then also we can use this star after 5454. The next example is that I know the last digits of sales document number are last few characters of the middle number. Then we can add star in the beginning and add the remaining characters or numbers what we remember. And if we search means we will get all the list of sales orders wherever this material is used. And remember that this star will work in case of these six operators only. That is starts with, ends with, contains, does not contain, doesn't starts with, doesn't ends with. Apart from the six characters, six operators, this won't work. So this will work only with these six operators only. In other operators, this star will be considered as an character only. So let me show in system. I will be opening the app configure BOP segment. Click create. So let me give the segment name G test, description also G test, and under select conditions, I will select that material entered or material number. You see by default we'll get is operator here, but for is operator, if we add VGF star or star VGF means system will say that no data identified. Let me click simulate here. And remember, this is one of the important feature available in this app, that's simulate. Simulate in the sense, based on the conditions what we add here, system will try to retrieve the data. And to understand whether system retrieving expected data means we can click simulate means test run. It's kind of a test run. Okay, click simulate now. See simulation has been triggered now. System saying that there is no data retrieved with this selection criteria. That's what I'm saying. This star will be treated as an normal character like VGF. System won't treat this as a special character. No. System will treat this as special character in case of these six operators only. So let's go with ends with operator. Now we are instructing system that the starting of the metal is VGF. After that, we don't know that. Ends with star, right? So now if I click simulate, I will get list of sales orders wherever the material is starting with VGF. You can witness now. You see, everywhere it's VGF only. VGF 4280, VGF 4380, like this. Similar way, I will add the star in the beginning also. After inputting the data here, we should click somewhere in the app, somewhere else. If you click directly simulate means it won't work, right? So you see the cursor is blinking here, right? So click outside of this input box. Okay, now it is done. There is no blinking cursor now. That means we came out of the field, input field. Now you click simulate. Without coming out of this input field, if you click simulate means we may get the wrong data or we may get the old data only. Click somewhere else, then click simulate. Now we see all the data. You see, now we see all the data ending with VGF. I mean, starting with VGF. Similar way, we can use one more operator that is starts with. Here it is. I'll click simulate again now. Again, I will get all the data which starts with VGF. And so, for example, I know only VG, not VGF. Let me remove the star in the beginning. I know VG only. I know only the two characters of the material. Now I click simulate again. If you give only V star also, system will retrieve all the data wherever the material starting with V. You see, we got all the data starting with VGG, VGS, VGG again VGF, right? So we have given only VG only. So after VG, whatever metal starting with, it will retrieve. And what I will do this time, I will add only S star, and this time I will mention as contains. Click OK and simulate. So this time we'll get all the list of orders wherever metal starting with, I mean metal contains S. That S might be in the first place, second place, third place, it doesn't matter. If that is there in the material means that will be retrieved. You see, this case S in the second place, and in this case VGS S in the third place. So if S is there in that material means that list of orders will be retrieved. So like this, star can be used in operators like contains, ends with, and starts with, doesn't end with, does not contain, and does not start with. Right? So like this, we can use this for these many six operators: contains, ends with, does not contain, does not start with, does not end with, and start with. Okay, please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries or concerns, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll give my best to publish videos regularly. Thank you for watching my videos and thanks for your support. Bye for now.